So, good morning, everyone. Today, I am here to welcome you all in 10th class. That I know you have all passed your ninth standard, and now you are coming to the new class. And here you will study different subjects with some new curriculum. So, today, I am here to tell you something about myself as well as about the course which I will teach you. So I'm going to teach you biology, which is a subject under your main subject science, the biology. And before starting teaching, today I'm going to tell you something about myself and about the goal of the courses and uh, the basically the outline that what are you going to study in this course, and also about some different things like assignments and all. So let's begin. So first of all, I am here to tell you something about myself. My name is Ritu, and by profession I'm a lecturer of biology since about last 7 years. I'm teaching this subject, and I'm also a part-time IELTS trainer. I'm teaching the students who are pursuing their IELTS, and I belongs to district Kurukshetra in Haryana in India. If talking about myself, more about myself, uh, if I talk about my education, I completed my master's in zoology and bachelor of education from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Talking about my family, I blessed with a joint family in which my grandparents, my mother, father, sister, brother, all are living, and I also blessed with a sweet daughter. Her name is Rizul. If talking about my hobbies, I'll love reading different books like novels and all. Also, I'm very conscious about my health, so I work out so to fit my body as fit as fiddle. And I also love traveling to new places, and also I'm lover, and I plant more and more trees. If talking about my work, I worked as a lecturer in DAV College Yamunanagar, and also in Ganpati Convent School Bilaspur, and now I'm teaching you here. So here I'm talking about the app to which we are going to learn. As you know that you are going to learn online, so we are going to start a Zoom classes for you all, and in this app you will get new techniques that will definitely help you, and yeah, also very interesting too. Like we can interact with each other via this app, and I can share my screen with you all. Apart from that, I know you miss your green board and blackboards in online classes, but don't worry, we have whiteboard here so that miss your you don't miss your board, right? So there is also a tech, chat box which you can use when you want to share something, like if you have some queries or anything you want to tell me or you and any other teachers when you start your online class, like. So next, if I will talk about the goals of the course, what are the goals of the course means, what why you should learn this subject, what are the reason behind it, right? So the basic reason is that it is useful for those who are very interested in establishing their future in medical field. And yes, if you want to know about something about your body, how you respire, how you uh, digest whatever you eat, how you excrete anything, if you want to learn, then definitely this is a very help good subject to study, right? So also you can learn about different living organisms in your surroundings, and yes, if you want to go in a research field, then definitely it is very helpful for you all. Moving further, if I talk about the outline of the course, like what the content of the course you are going to study. So there are 6 chapters in this course, like life processes, control and coordination, how organism reproduce, heredity and evolution, environment, and management of natural resources, which are, yeah, declining day by day. So we should know how to manage them. And in life process, you will study about your digestive system, about your respiratory system, excretory system, as well as your circulatory system, not only about yourself, even about the plants too, and other organisms too. Same in the control and coordination, you will study about the brain, your spinal cord, nerves, and all. In reproduction of plants, how plants reproduce, how organisms reproduce, and all that stuff you are going to learn in this subject. And if talk about the assignments which are you going to study, so after the completion of each class, there will be a summative examinations which may include different kind of questions like MCQs, one word questions. Yeah, it is biology, so definitely you have to draw some diagrams too. And for formative assessments, after every lecture we are going to take some oral test or any blackboard test which I can use to evaluate your response in the classroom. Apart from that, if I talk about the availability, I will be available uh, in the biolab at any time. So if you want to discuss something, you can call me or you can send messages in the WhatsApp group, as we have already planned for that we are going to make different WhatsApp groups so that you can consult with your teachers, right? And I have shared my number in the group. If you want to talk to me, you can contact me. And if I talk about the classes, so daily from 9 to 9:40 in the morning, from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the 3 days, there will be a class of 40 minutes for you people. So it is all about the introduction of our class, that how we are going to start the class and all that stuff. So I hope this will help you all, and see you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.